Hello viewers, once again announce ke molaga channel or itu notun update kura video welcome kura first day chanai dia ase first day kalidu fathers khan nimde ekdam special din ase to kalidu nichu laga dear and near ones noile family bra greeting babo inaga time de moi disturb kuro mona to aji molaga channel de or molaga subscribers khan majore ki man fathers khan ase announce ke advent happy fathers day greetings chanai dia ase আজি বি মনসব প্রা জানিবলে আৰু শুনিবলে লেটেস্ট নাগামিজ খবৰ একটা দুইটা এনেকা আনি দি আছে ফার্স্ট খবৰটো এনেকা আছে কি আপকামিং ULP ইলেকশন কোনটো 26 জুন 2024 দিনতে কাষ্ট কৰিবলৈ আছে এটো লাগাৰ ULP ইলেকশন লাগা সময়তে মন ডিস্ট্রিক্টে আন টুৱাৰ্ডছ সলিউশন অলাউলে নিছনা থাকাবৰা স্টেট গভৰ্নমেন্ট ব্ৰা এডিশনাল ফৰ্সেস খান্ডো ডিপ্লয় কৰিবলৈ কৈ আছে itu laga opore konyak union KU brakoi asiki mon district te additional forces kando deployed na kurule KU brakoi septe additional forces kan mon district te deployed kurisukule do public kan alert hobo public kan foi hobo commotion olabo edu ra peace to hole phangai dibo nisna lagi ase KU brabi ULP election do phal bra chawle kosis kuri ase edu ra state government ge additional forces khando deployed no kurolo koise aro by chance pra deployed kurigena ase gole within 24 hours deployed kurigena thaka khando hatai diule government ke appeal kura first day idu janai di ase second khobor inega ase ki FNT frontier naga territory laga issue du hole political can nimide na cholawol lage kogena Eastern Nagaland Legislative Union khan pra koise Eastern Nagaland Legislative Union in Lo Khan Bra Kwai hisabte kunuba political party Khan Bra FNT opore a major statement even pointing finger at Chief Minister statement do tigna ase edu bra kun laga political party hobe FNT laga issue do hole niju laga political can nimide na cholawole edu request kura janaise aro in Lo Bra Kwai hisabte FNT laga final agreement na pongchatak tu hole FNT laga issue do hole ekta major wisdom bra negotiate kurole rakhile phala ase kogena illo bra kwa second khobor inaga janai di ase third news to inaga ase ki state election commission of Nagaland bra kwa hisabte June 14 din de 23 candidates kan ULP election nomination file kurigena thakado withdraw kurise one candidate to hole Dimapur bra withdraw kurise aro ekta to hole Bokha bra withdraw kurise aro charta do apoi bra withdraw kurise aro 8 to hole Nagani Mora bra withdraw kurise aro 9 to hole Desert bra withdraw kurise so far idia ULP election de candidates khandu hole 633 June asuguse aro nomination withdrawal date to hole 18 June 2024 dak digana ase kugana State Election Commission brakwa dibi chanai di ase fourth news to inaga asiki Bokha de Phandari sub division de ekjun manu tala nam do hole General Jami Lotha dagise tai ge BJP khan bra upcoming ULP election de contest kurule ticket dia nimide Lotha ho khan bra oppose kura thagise etu laga opore BJP Bokha unit khan bra koi asiki Lotha ho khan bra ticket diage interfere nokurile phal ase kogena koise ticket to hole ekta qualified manu aro ekta capable manu ga dia ase lo laga hisabte aro itu laga election laga mandate hisabte to tai laga personal issues to takhan iku na jane alibi tai laga qualification hisabte aro tai laga capability hisabte ticket to dia ase itu laga opore Lotha ho khan bra interfere nokurila phal ase kogena BJP Bokha unit khan bra koise aro BJP Bokha unit khan bra takhan bra kwa do hole edu very candidate lago opore kiba issue do asukule poila bra kile kwa nai etia election almost na loa akidihi kile koi ase koigena BJP Bokha unit khan bra kwa du janai di ase etia next khopor do inaga ase ki actor aro Lok Sabha MP Kangana Raut opore Indian Association of Lawyers IAL Khanbra talaga opore police Khanbra case to register kurbo lage kogena complain kuri ase Monsop pra jana June 6 din de newly elected Lok Sabha MP Kangana Rao tai security hall area cross kuradante ekta constable CISF constable Central Industrial Security Force constable bra slap marise inaga mara bra edu constable tai laga naam do hole Kolvinder thagise tai do pok hoikena ase holibi Kangana Rao kundu newly elected MP ase Lok Sabha la tai brabi itu laga very incident de noha kothan koigena ase koigena Indian Association of Lawyers IAL Khanbra tai laga oporibi Kangana Rao oporibi do hoile case to police Khanbra register kurubo lage koigena kwa announce ke janai di ase itia last khopor inaga janai di ase ki itia thaka central government interior government to hole ki dia phangula ase it can fall anytime koigena Congress chief Malik Arjun Khatch pro kuse monsop prajana Chaija Lok Sabha MP election e kula party brabe to hole single majority panai edubra idia president thaka government to hole coalition government ase edubra Congress laga chief Malik Arjun Khatch pro kwadu hole idia thaka government to hole kidia phangolen na jane it can fall anytime koigena koise aro Malik Arjun bra kwadu hole idia thaka prime minister Narendra Modi bra kun bra phal kam kore tahanke phal kam kurule continue kurula nadi holibi tai laga side pra aro Congress laga side pra India do phal home nimide tahanke cooperate korigina kam kurubo koigena Malik Arjun Khatch bra kwa amnan ke janai di ase aji laga video bra viewers kan amnan sob ke latest nakames khobor through this video share kori di ase thank you everyone for watching my video and see you on my next video